Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Blue Fire Phoenix, also known as VictorX21. Today, I'm going to be talking about something I like to call a green screen. So you see behind me how this is not green and how this over here doesn't have much light. I'm going to show you how to change that. It's not going to take that long. I don't think. If I'm lagging, then sorry, but trying something new, I might just change it back to normal, because look, everything might be lagging. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you how to have a green screen, and when I do show you, I'm going to show you all the steps, and I'm not gonna go over basic OBS stuff like if you know how to add scenes or sources. I'm not gonna go over that. You can do that on your own time. Just making everything ready for me to actually do. It seems like it. Alright, I'm gonna show you real quick how to have a good-ish webcam. Well, not webcam, but good-ish green screen. This won't be that. This video won't be that good of a green screen because I ordered a new webcam and it's supposed to get here tomorrow. So yeah, so this won't look like this. Probably redo the video, but let's try it anyways. So I'm gonna bring this over here, and now you can see me. You can see everything I'm doing. Okay, so I'm gonna turn on this. I'm gonna turn this down, and now you see me. You see everything. Everything's going good. You see that I'm not lagging or anything. Okay. So now what I'm going to be showing you is I'm going to go into studio mode. So you want to focus on this one right here and not this one, because this studio mode, basically you want to look at preview and not program. Program is like me changing everything. Preview is just so I don't change anything. Okay, let's see. So you want to go right here and you want to left click. You want to left click. You want to go to filters. And now you see this. You see me. You see this over here. So don't bother with that right now. So we're going to add a color correction. We're going to press OK. So now there's the color correction. But now you want to add your chroma key. Here's your chroma key. And as you can see, it's kind of... But here's the good thing. You can do custom, and you just want to drag this over here just a little, select color, and you want to pick select screen color. So this is, I'm trying to get the best one. There we go. That's the blue I have, and now you see that I am completely gone. So we're gonna dial it back a little, probably to right there. Sharpness, we don't need sharpness too much. Alright, so that's pretty much good enough for me. As you can see, if you look over here, it looks half decent, but we'll make this better probably in a few minutes. Just gonna not darken it. Okay, so that's fine for right now. Now you want to come over here and you want to add your color correction. Yeah. So you just want to mess around with the colors to make sure like this doesn't happen. And that is just because of the webcam, not because of anything else. But so I'm just gonna darken it, make it look like this, and don't you don't want to worry about your face cam. You see how I look like this. We're gonna go and add that in later. probably should have done this better, so give me 1 second. I need to remove, yes, chroma key, color correction. Alright, so I forgot to tell you something that would actually help you a lot better than just this. You see how I have the webcam right here? So what you want to do is where it says video capture device, you want to click remove if you already have it on and everything, and then you want to add you just want to add, call this just call it whatever you want. I'm gonna call it webcam. So now you see that there's nothing there, and you see over here how I still have the face cam. That's because I'm not messing with anything. I told you this is just that, that's that. So now we're gonna add video capturing device. I already have one existing. 1 second, my computer's being dumb. Apparently it wants me. Okay, so now I'm here, and I'm also here. Focus on this one right here, where I am. So you want to press Alt, and you want to drag it down, and that's basically cropping it, so you only have the green screen and everything behind, everything you need. So I'm just trying to do this. Let me press Shift. Okay, that's not what I wanted, but okay, so now we are going to go to, we're gonna right click again, go to filters, we're gonna do everything over again, add our color correction, add our chroma key, and by doing this you can add this in any scene, and I'll show you more about that in a minute. Actually, I think I messed up again. Okay, 1 second. You see how this is here? This will save and everything, so you just want to remove this real quick. I'm doing a lot of stuff wrong for some reason, so I'm going to add an image. Yes, so basically what I'm doing this for is the reason I'm doing this is because if I go to my pictures, go here, and then if I just go down, click this one, open, yes, and what you want to do is you want to drag it all the way over to your screen where it fits the whole entire screen. Don't worry about it looking like that, it's supposed to. So we're going to add our video capturing device again. Gonna click that one. Yes, now we're here. Okay, good. Okay, so you can see how it's shaping the green, so you just want to do this with the image, and then you want to right click video capturing device, you want to go to filters. Okay, now we're back where we were. You want to click on chroma key, and like I said, you want to pick custom and drag this over here just a little. You want to select your color, you want to pick screen color, you want to choose the right color. I'm just gonna try to pick the right color by also looking. Trying to get the right blue. Alright, we're just gonna click that one. That's close enough. Okay, so now you see that I am completely halfway gone. So we're just gonna dial this back a little, and it doesn't really matter if it looks like this right now. We're gonna fix that in a minute. Sharpness, we don't want the sharpness much, so then we do this, and then we look like this. So my shirt does go away. It doesn't mean anything. I'm just wearing the wrong color shirt. It shouldn't look like that where you have stuff in your teeth and stuff, so we're gonna dial it back one just so it doesn't look like that. Okay, so now we're gonna add the sharpness. Oh. For some reason it's making my teeth like that. It didn't do that before I started recording. So we're gonna leave it like that for right now. That's fine enough. So now what we're gonna do is we are going to go to gamma. Gonna darken it just a little. All you want to do is try to correct the jagged edges and all this. So now you want to go to here, and don't worry about your face or your clothes or anything. Like, I could do this, but right now we just need it like, not like that, but we need it like that. Trying to fix them. Saturation, you want to kind of, as you can see, this is the color blue I kind of have. So now you just want to, alright, we are going to fix this though. Trying to find the right, it's a little bit harder on camera. Opacity, and I vanished. Okay, so now you have this, and the image that I told you to add, this is the reason, just to make sure green screen's working. I did not press Alt, did I? Nope, I didn't. Alright, so now you're like this. We don't want the image because we don't need it right now. But as you can see over here, I am transparent, which is what you want. You can do this any way you want, but then you want to come over here, you want to come to webcam or whatever you called it, you want to click filters. Now you want to add a filter on here. You want to add a color correction. And what this does, it doesn't mess with your green screen. Well, it shouldn't. But it basically fixes your face and everything. So like, that looks good. It darkened a little bit. For some reason it's messing with the green screen, which it shouldn't. I don't think it was a color correction. Remove. No, it was a color key messing up. Alright, so now you just want to do this. Opacity, contrast. You want to make it where you're seeable. You also want to make it where you can see yourself, like right here. That's good enough. Gamma, let's turn the gamma up. So you add some color to your face. Smoothness. Now I'm gone. Alright. That's alright, now add some smoothness. Alright, so that's good enough for me. Now we're gonna go out of studio mode and we're gonna go to webcam. Now this is what we look like. So you might be wondering, that's not a pretty good green screen. Well, if you do this right, which if you do, then it should come out just like you want it. Now I have done something that I didn't want to do. So usually I do this off camera a lot and it doesn't do this, but just want to remove this, and it is a color correction, but me doing color corrections like this, now you see in the back that it's not very good. That's why I don't use the green screen much. But then you want to come over here, you want to press add or hover over it. You don't want to add a video capture device, you want to add a scene, existing scene, you want to add webcam, and now you're here. You could put this in any of your slots that you want. As you can see, it still looks like I'm a square, but if we go into wish or something like that, now it kind of looks like what you want, but not really. That still didn't. Okay. So I'm just gonna remove, yes, and I'm gonna go back here. I'm gonna go back to filters, and I'm just gonna take all these filters off, all of them. Remove, yes. Remove, yes. And now I'm back to me. And basically I could still add the scene into here. Even if you got rid of everything, you still can add it in. And then if you want to go add in a green screen, you can go back and add it in. But then basically that's what it looks like now. And then you might be wondering, well, why didn't your green screen work? That's because, like I said, the camera, it's for some reason doing something. That's why I ordered a new one, and from now on I'll be looking over here at the monitor, and yeah, that's basically why. Another reason you want to check your green screen and other things is for if basically if you want good lighting on it, which means you might want to go buy on Amazon. They got these nice small, not that expensive, what are they called, lights that you put on your computer or monitor, and it basically shines the light into your face, and it also gets the green screen colored. As you can see over here, the green screen isn't really colored as much as this side or any other side. You can put lights anywhere you want, but if you really want the green screen to work, you want it to hit your face and also hit the background. You don't want shadows like you see me right now. You want to be a little bit farther away from it as you can be. Let me just fix that real quick. Let me press Alt. Pressing it. Alt. Alright, so basically you want to shape it to whatever you want. As you can see, I'm partly chopped off now, but you don't want shadows. Shadows will mess up your green screen more than anything else would.